flattering statistics to attach themselves to Olivier Giroud. Still wants him in the side.
Modric takes charge.
Djukic now poised on the edge of the penalty area where he feels more comfortable. That is his natural terrain, his habitat. Kylian Mbappe. He's not just flair and forward force. He's trying to do his dirty work for the team as well. So really important tackle. Rakitic. Unhappy with some of the bumping and boring, though needs to be careful there.
म्यूचुअल फंड सही है .com
सही है। म्यूचुअल फंड निवेश बाजार जोखिमों के अधीन है। योजना से जुड़े सभी दस्तावेजों को ध्यान से पढ़ें।